Hello, this video is about WhatsApp in smartwatches. As you can see, in this smartwatch I can have the full WhatsApp experience, the same as in any phone. To be honest, this can only be done if your smartwatch has Android as operating system and Play Store installed. This smartwatch is a phone in itself and cannot be connected to any other smartphone. If your smartwatch is using any other application like Fitpro, Hryfine, Laxasfit or Dafit, unfortunately you will not be able to download the WhatsApp application. The only available option for these smartwatches is having WhatsApp notification as shown in the video. There are no tricks or code that can be added to have the full WhatsApp application. I hope this video clarified about WhatsApp in smartwatches. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.